Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing. Today we have a great snap-on smile. We're going to show you also how to adjust it, which the cosmetic internet appliances do not offer because the patients aren't seen by a dentist. These appliances must be adjusted to make sure that the bite is accurate and that you are functional. All right, so we're going to take a look. Let me show you. And I know I've talked to online on my channel about how it's very difficult for a patient to take their own impression accurately. I never said it was difficult to take the impression. What I said is it's difficult to get a perfect impression. That's why we take digital impressions. So we actually scan, and there is no goop that goes in the patient's mouth. These are scanned so they are perfect, which allows for a perfect fit with the snap-on smile. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the appliance and we're going to place it in his mouth. I want to show you why it's really important with by seeing a dentist, because these appliances have to be adjusted. A lot of the cosmetic internet appliance companies, they just deliver it at your doorstep, but no one's there to adjust it. And if you look at some of the warranty work, it says that yes, that one of the issues with it is that the patients get sore jaws. Well, you shouldn't get a sore jaw. These appliances should be ready to eat with and ready to go the day you leave the dental office. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Here is his smile. You got a gap, right? And you wanted to get rid of that gap, correct?
Right.
Okay, and you also wanted more symmetrical, and you wanted whiter teeth. Okay, so bite down. And that's exactly what we did. We got him whiter teeth. We have a lot of shades to go from, so we're going to go ahead and place this in, and it goes directly over his existing teeth, snaps into place. Now, bite down for me. Now, we've already done some adjustment because when we first placed it in, it was a little high in areas, right?
Right.
So I'm going to show you how we adjust it. Okay, this is articulating paper. This is what you need to check the patient's bite before they leave your office. I don't know how these online companies expect you to have a perfect bite when no one sees a dentist and nothing is adjusted. So let me show you how this works. This is articulating paper, and we're going to go ahead and place it in his mouth. We're going to have the patient bite down on both sides. Tap, tap, open, and tap, tap. Again, and open. And we asked the patient, where are you hitting first? When we had asked him previously, you were hitting on both sides in the middle first, right?
Correct.
Okay. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. And these things fit well. So, can you see the marks? What we want to do is we want to get rid of all of the really intense marks. I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay, so you can see he's got balanced marks, except there's a high spot here and one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my special burr designed for this appliance, and I'm going to lighten these areas up. That way he has got balance and he's not hitting on one tooth more than the others, because that will cause headaches and it's uncomfortable. We want the patient to feel very comfortable the minute they walk out of our office. We're going to try it again, and we're going to ask him how it feels. So adjusting the appliance is an incredibly important part of this procedure. You want the patients, when they leave, to be able to eat basically anything, chew, without any soreness. So I'm going to go ahead and try it in, and we're going to check it out again. All right, we're going to go ahead and try it in again. Snaps in, bite down. Where are you hitting first? Does it feel even?
Yeah, it's even, but I'm hitting first. It's in the same, in the back.
Where? In the very back? Okay, so we're going to take it out and adjust it again. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this again. And we just keep adjusting it until the patient is comfortable. Very important part of this process. Okay, does it feel even yet?
Yes.
Okay, so it feels good?
Yes.
All right, now I want you to speak. Say church.
Church.
Say fire truck.
Fire truck.
Say 66.
66.
There's a little lisp, so let me show you how to get rid of that lisp. Okay, so he had a lisp. When he said 66, I heard a lisp. So how you adjust a lisp is you adjust the inside of the upper appliance. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the inside. And we don't take off too much. So again, we have our snap-on small burrs, and we're going to thin this out just a little bit so we don't have that lisping sound. Very easy to do. Of course, you can't do this at home. You have to see a dentist to have this done. All right, we're going to try it in again. Okay, say 66.
66.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
So that's how you get rid of the lisp.